iReader is earnin' and burnin'. They have released so many units. And this year alone, they've released 3. That is a lot of units for this company. Now, this is not a small company, but what it is that they're becoming more internationally friendly. They're releasing different sizes of units, different storage sizes, screen sizes, capabilities of Wacom, and they're all in English. That is the biggest takeaway of this company. For now, this is the Smart 4. This is the latest Wacom eNote with physical page turn buttons. Yes, they still have physical page turn buttons, and they're the only company that does that on a large screen. This has full Wacom support, touch support, audio, and 64 gigs onboard storage, and it is a 2023 model. Now, I don't really think we need that much plastic nowadays, but it is what it is. As more manufacturers are gravitating away from plastic, we'd like not to take too many steps back. iReader's always been really good at putting this nice deep pile foam insert to protect the device. This is the only large screen e-reader or eNote on the market that gives you physical page turn buttons. You can't name another one because you might say, what about the Hanvon N10? Well, that doesn't even have a touch screen. You have to use the pen. So this is the only one that hits all those right notes. Now, again, they're using a lot of plastic here. It's kind of, harking back to 2019 territory before the eco-consciousness of it all kind of, the mindset changed effectively. This is a good looking unit. It has this nice kind of metallic blue on the back. The front is contrasted nicely with the left. I must say, this is looking precisely, even down to the color thematics of it all. This is looking exactly like an Onyx Books themed device. You can't say that anyone really pioneered the left side ledger. That's just ergonomics. So for example, if I was right-handed and I'm trying to hold it, there's no way I can put my hand here without really interacting with the unit or the meat of my palm starting to interact with the screen via capacitive. That's why this is there. But they take it a step further and they give you physical page turn buttons. But they're not only just physical page turn buttons, they're mappable. The top can be global refresh. The bottom can be glow light on or off. They're completely customizable. They do always give you audio on here as well. They are located on this side. You have stereo speakers as well as, I believe, microphones on the side. You have nothing on the right, and you have USB-C on the bottom with potentially another microphone, or one is a status indicator light, because they do have multiple microphones on Chinese devices typically. You do have a power button up top as well. It's not very heavy, but it's not too light at the same point. It's kind of mid-range. I don't know what kind of pen they're going to give us. I'm very excited, honestly, because we don't know the 2023 Q2 lineup of pens. This is the first time we will have seen it. So what they are giving you is the SE. So this is the X Pen 3 SE without the eraser at the back. Very nice pen. iReader has one of the greatest lines of digital stationery in the market. It's very high quality stuff. You get USB-C as well. This is not expandable, unfortunately, but it is 64 gig, and this pen is really nice, and it should snap to the side. Let's check that out right now because I'm not sure, but almost, yeah, certain. Oh, that's a strong magnet. Wow, that's a good one. We're going to turn this on and do a first-time boot up because we want to show you guys that the OS is now in full English, and the beauty about iReader is that when you set these up for the first time, you can skip most of the procedures. They've revamped their home screen, which we'll show you in the full review. I've never seen this before. This is completely different. What you would do is you would go to the settings, you would click, I believe, this one right here, and that says Gengo or language. You would click on English, and away you go. Everything should change into English. There you are. All the elements should be in English this time as well. There shouldn't be any stragglers, so even the titles are now in English. Before, there was some kind of left-behind headers and notes and stuff like that that didn't quite make it all the way to the cutting room floor, but you'll see right there it all is. You get glow light, you get audio, you get a whole bunch of really nice features on this unit. We're going to get into the full review in an upcoming video, but for now, everybody, this is exciting stuff. This is the largest company in the e-reader world that you've never heard of. iReader has been just killing it in the past 5 years. They've really expanded their lineup. They were one of the first to do color in the new era. It's magnificent, and unlike iFlyTech, you don't need any Chinese phone numbers. You don't need any WeChat or Baidu logins. You simply just use it to your heart's content. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Smart 4. Everybody, Wacom 10.3 with physical buttons on board. Everyone, thanks for watching.